We are Venom Raiders. Yo, what's up guys? Another interesting video for you guys today. And today I'm going to be talking about the Google Play Store. The Google Play Store is an application which every Android device in the world has. The Google Play Store is where we kind of download our apps and update them to the latest versions. But sometimes we do forget that our own Google Play Store does update on itself. It does actually update its own app where it's able to give us the best user experience ever. So today in this video I'm going to be talking about the cool features of the Google Play Store, and we'll talk about the advantages of the new Google Play Store and some of the disadvantages of it. I hope you enjoy it. So please stay tuned, make sure to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Without further delay, let's head over straight into the topic. So, like every other mobile device, the latest Google Play Store version is version 16. So you first of all open your Google Play Store and you need internet connection, and we click the sidebar menu over here and we're going to hit the settings section. Hit the settings section here. Now heading over to settings, we scroll down to the bottom and we have the first option. It says Play Store version 16.3. This is the latest version of the Google Play Store. Now let us talk about one of the cool features I've noticed with the new Google Play Store. Number one, Google Play Instant. Google Play Instant is the ability to use apps and games without installation. Isn't that cool? Now, how do you even get this option activated? There's another option for you to get this ability. All you need to do is you need to activate Google Play Store developer options. How do you activate Google Play Store version options? All you simply need to do is tap here on the Play Store version 10 times. As you can see, it already says no need, you are already a developer. So I'm already a developer and no need for me to activate those settings again. That is when you'll be able to get this cool feature, the Google Play Instant. It means you can use apps and games without installation. So let's go deeper into this cool feature. So we're just gonna open it. It says for my account, web links may open in an instant app instead of in a browser when available. Even when this setting is turned off, you can always continue to try instant apps by clicking on links that are Google Play branded. Definitely need to install or to activate that feature, but not all apps on the Google Play Store have this ability already, but some apps already have that ability for you to play or use them without having to install them. Now the second feature I want to talk about, the new version of the Google Play Store, or an advantage I love about them, is the design interface. The design interface is very nice. If you look, our previous Google Play Store version had something different. Let's head over to our Chrome browser and see what that looked like in the previous versions. So I'm just going to type in my Chrome browser Google Play Store previous versions. Now I'll head over to the image sections. Alright, so I want to look for a better image. Alright, I think this one is good. Yeah. So I think this one is good. Alright. So let's talk more about this one. If you see in this section here, if you see in this image over here, this image actually shows the previous Google Play Store version. This should be about the version 10 or version 12 of the Google Play Store. If you notice, it has a green layout. If you notice here, you see this border here. In the My App section, or totally in the Google Play Store previous versions, you had the green outlook on the bars. And let us check if it's still the same in the new Google Play Store update. So we head over to My Apps and Games section. As you can see, it is quite different. The background is no longer green, and it makes the design more simpler and accurate to read. And that really is a very nice option Google actually did. I love the design interface. It's simple, it's clear, no more green colors exaggerated. Now, another feature or a good something nice about the update I saw is how the downloading notification usually was shown on the app. It actually changed. So let me look for a really an app and do a test, by the way. So let's click on Subway Surfers. Now we want to see the new way of how the Google Play Store app downloads, how the notification is, the design of the download. How does it look like? Watch what happens when I hit the install button. As you can see, instead of the normal line that usually passes to signifies downloading, it's now the icon, which proves that it's actually downloading an application. And then the size of the icon reduces, and we have the file size over here. As you can see, that is pretty easy to help the apps to show another good way of approaching the design of the Google Play Store app. I think this is a very cool feature they added. So I don't actually need the game, so I'm going to cancel the download. And you see the download buttons are larger and are easier to see. And if you look at the scroll down to the bottom image, and the update in general is very nice. Now I want to talk about some of the disadvantages, in my opinion, I saw about the Google Play Store update. So I'm going to be doing a little comparison with the previous version and the newest version. Alright, so let me just look for a good image where we can start. Alright, perfect. It's a very good image. Now there's a problem I hate with the new Google Play Store update. The interface is very nice. The use of the simplification of the interface is good, but for a beginner, in my opinion, this design interface may confuse the person. Why do I say so? Previously, in the old Google Play Store version, it was easier to see the apps and games menu over here, movies and books, which could be accessible, and you could see the top trending categories in the middle, and you could see some mobile apps put in a grid, in a row, in a column section, or in a row style. Now, and the colors were actually different, which helped to signify the difference between the search bar, the menu bar, the top bar, the section where the apps are laid out. It was kind of different. But now in the modern version, in fact, all the background is kind of white. I find that a little bit it's true, it's nice, but in my opinion, for a beginner or someone who doesn't usually use Play Store too much, might find this a little bit confusing. That's in my opinion. Now another problem I also have with the new Google Play Store version has to do with the Play Protect. Now, why do I say I have a problem with the Play Protect? The Google Play Store Play Protect, its job is to scan through the mobile applications you have downloaded into your phone and help to scan those with malware or viruses or that are potential threats to your device. But recently I noticed something with the Play Protect. The Play Protect actually can give you a certain notification about an app which doesn't have any danger but continuously poses it as a threat. Even if you have to report to the Play Store that this app isn't a threat, it keeps reporting it. And I find that to kind of be a bug or a disturbing fact of the users. And From time to time, if you try to do a play protect scan, sometimes it may fail like you just saw here. Let's just try to run that again. We're running it. Try to look below here. You see a notification. Now the scan is done. Now, actually the scan is confirmed now, but previously it said the scan has failed. Now, those are some of the bugs I saw for now. Now, I want to talk about a cool feature I also saw. I love the design of the buttons below here. It makes it also really accessible. Though for beginners it may seem a little bit confusing and complicated, but for users who are frequent with the Google Play Store, I find it's more easier to classify the most important applications on your phone, or to be able to access the type of apps or games you need, even the movie section and books. So the Google Play Store update is really nice, and for you to update to the Google Play Store version, we actually have to do nothing. You just need to have access to the internet, and the Google Play Store will take care of the rest. Now I want us to go back to that developer option display. Now, the Google Play Instant use apps and games without installation. What does this actually mean? Let us click on the Learn More button to see what Google has in store for us to understand how this option actually works. So we should read the official, and I'll do my best to explain. So we'll type Google Play Instant. Now let us go to the Android developers website. It says, with Google Play Instant, people can tap to try an app or game without installing it first. Increase engagement with your Android app and gain more installs by surfacing your instant apps across the Play Store, Google Search, social networks, and anywhere you share a link. Android's new app publishing format, the Android App Bundle, makes it easier than ever to offer a Google Play Instant experience. So, what does this mean? This simply means that for you to access Android apps without having to install them, your device has to meet some certain requirements. Not all Android devices will support the native Android apps, which means apps that can be used without installation. And this is a very cool feature Google has made, because you can actually copy the link of your application and share it worldwide and still get your app used and get reviews without your app being installed on a person's device. Means your app runs already directly connected to the internet, which is a very cool feature. And for programmers, it says something for them. It says, starting from the Android Studio 3.3 beta release, you can build and publish one app bundle artifact to Google Play Store containing both instant and dynamic feature modules. So, means for Android coders who are developing Android apps, they use the latest version, the Android Studio version, which will be the 3.3 beta version, will come with the abilities for you to create instant and dynamic features using some specific modules that have been designed to create Android apps that will be able to run without being installed on an Android device. So that is a very cool feature Google has made. Actually, my device actually can't be able to run the native Android apps, but I'm sure the viewers who are watching this, you can check on the internet about the requirements. Now, for the requirements of which device can run the instant apps, we'll check it back on Google. So what devices are supported for the Google Play Instant? It says Google Play Instant is supported on the majority of devices running Android 5.0 with API level 21 or higher. So if your Android device is 5.0, good, and your API level is above 21, then you can be able and sure that you can run Google Play Instant. Now it says, how do I use Google Play Instant? We have already discussed that. So guys, this was a review on how to enjoy or the features of the Google Play Store, a little review on it. If you look, I'm like one of the few YouTubers who have tried to make a review on this new Google Play Store update, and I want you guys to download it. And if you feel I didn't add any other extra reviews, you can leave it in the comment section. And guys, please stay tuned to my channel, and I'll be keeping you more up to date with some more amazing video tutorials. Stay tuned to my channel, and I would like to see you guys in the next video which I'll be publishing. Stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be there to see you guys next time. Bye bye. Please hit the like button, make sure to comment in the comment section, and hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. See you next video.